the numbers for you. What were you earning your average commission? You got to figure that out, whatever that number is. Like, you know what your commission is. If it's 10,000 and you're on a team, you're getting half of that. If it's my lead, 50%. If it's your lead, you make 70, whatever. I would base everything off worst case scenario, right? So that's $5,000. EXP is taking 20% until you get to 8,000 if you're on a team. So you're going to net 4,000, right? Same for me. So I get to 16,000. How much business is coming from listings versus buyers, right? How much working on your business, calling for sale by owners, sending 10 letters a week out is working on your business, right? That's controlling your daily action. That's going to generate a huge outcome. Submitting 3 express offers a day is a huge working on your business. Huge. Every real estate agent at exprealty.com. If you only did that in 2023, only, I promise you would make $200,000 a year or more. Okay, or more. Every single agent at EXP needs to be express offer certified. Every agent at EXP needs to be submitting 3 offers a day, cash offers, to agents who have their home on the market for 40 days or more for sale by owners and expired listings. Every one of us. 3 offers a day, 7 times 7 is 21 offers a week, 84 offers a month. If only 5% take a cash offer from you, that is 4 deals a month closed, $10,000 commission. That's $40,000. That's $500,000 a year. If you are not certified, express offer, and master that program, you are still in 2020. I don't even know what year. If I could only give you one reason to come to EXP, that's why you should have came here. There's multiple reasons. But if you only did that, if I was a brand new agent at EXP, a brand new agent, that's all I would do. Guess what? You don't have to ever leave your house to do it. You can stay in your pajamas all day. You could do that. Or you could do like me, hire a VA to do it for you. I don't even have to do it. Right? It's $1 million GCI business book. But what if you only hit 10% of $1 million? You'd make 100,000, whether you sold a home or not. The person that said they had an emergency, the person that said that they had to get something done yesterday, the person that says that they don't accomplish what they need to accomplish right now today, it's going to cause catastrophic results in either their personal life or someone else's life. That's the person I'm talking to right now.